The deep in Hubble Deep Field refers to the telescope's ability to look at far, faint objects. Deep fields allow astronomers to study the development of galaxies over cosmic time. In 1994, Robert Williams, director of the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore, developed an interest in Hubble's ability to observe distant objects when he witnessed exposures taken by Hubble telescope. And his team decided that another deep exposure could reveal unknown parts of the universe. They tried to find a right location in the sky that could be dark area with no nearby stars or other objects, whose glow would drown out the fainter galaxies. That meant the area couldn't be near the plane of the Milky Way, which was bright with cosmic objects. The area also needed to be a continuous viewing zone, without interference from the Earth, Sun, or Moon. The team chose a location within Ursa Major, near the Big Dipper, that looked relatively empty. That emptiness would provide a gateway to see much farther back in time. Looking at faraway objects in space is like seeing back in time. Light moves at tremendous speed, but it still takes time to travel across the vastness of space. When we look at the Sun, we see it as it was a little more than 8 minutes earlier. Because the light from our Sun needs 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So the farther away the object, the younger it appears in Hubble's gaze. In 2003, astronomers selected one particular field for intense study. Hubble observed the one empty region for over 11 days of combined exposure. The ultra-deep field represents the deepest visible light image of the universe. It examines about 10,000 galaxies within a tiny patch of sky. There are more than 10 million patches of this size across the entire sky. We can estimate there are more than 100 billion galaxies in the universe. Detailed analysis of this image reveals the distances to these galaxies. Their distances stretch out into space for more than 10 billion light years. The three-dimensional data set enables the astronomers to examine galaxies across the cosmos. Galaxies are distributed across billions of light years of space. Hence, their light has traveled for billions of years to reach us. And we see the galaxies not as they are today but as they were billions of years ago. See, this galaxy is one of the most distant ever observed. Seen as it was more than 12 billion years ago, and only the core of this galaxy has formed. Smaller galaxies often merge together to build up larger galaxies. A deep field samples galaxies across space and time. Deep fields are crucial for studying the distribution, characteristics and development of galaxies.